Beet juice isn't just another health trend, it's backed by science. From reducing inflammation to improving circulation, here are 8 powerful reasons to start drinking it today.
One of the best ways to detox is stop eating for a couple of days. When we stop eating, all those energies that usually go to digestion now start to cleanse and detox through the body. Well, at Living Springs, we do juices every 2 hours. Sometimes a little bit of beet or beetroot, so we alternate the juices a little bit. So 2 days on juices is a great detox.
Are you looking for a natural way to boost your energy, support heart health, and even enhance brain function? Well, the secret might just be in this vibrant, nutrient-packed drink. Beet juice! This powerful elixir is loaded with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can transform your health in ways you never imagined. From lowering blood pressure to improving athletic performance, the benefits are truly incredible. Stay tuned as we uncover 8 science-backed reasons why you should drink beet juice every single day. But before we dive in, I'm curious about you. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments, and feel free to ask any questions you might have for me. Now let's dive in. What makes beetroot so nutritious? Beetroot is a nutritional powerhouse offering an impressive blend of essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants in a low-calorie, high-fibre package. This vibrant root vegetable is a natural energy booster and supports a variety of bodily functions, making it an excellent addition to any diet. A rich source of essential nutrients. Beetroot contains an array of vital nutrients including vitamins A, B1, B2, B5 and C, which play crucial roles in supporting immune function, metabolism and skin health. It is also packed with key minerals such as potassium, sodium, phosphorus, calcium, zinc, iron and manganese, all of which contribute to strong bones, heart health and optimal muscle function. One of its standout nutrients is folic acid, vitamin B9, which is especially beneficial for pregnant women as it supports fetal development and helps prevent neural tube defects in babies. A friend, not a foe, for blood sugar management. There is a common misconception that beets are harmful to individuals with diabetes due to their naturally sweet taste. However, this is misleading. Thanks to their high fibre content, beets help regulate the body's absorption of nutrients, leading to slower glucose release and better blood sugar control after meals. Their natural nitrates also support insulin sensitivity, making them a smart choice for those looking to manage blood sugar levels effectively. Supporting eye health and vision. Beetroot is also an unsung hero for eye health. Rich in vitamin A, it helps maintain corneal health, improve lubrication and enhance vision in low light conditions. The beta-carotene and lutein found in beets contribute to reducing the risk of cataracts, combating dry eyes and protecting against age macular degeneration, AMD. Regular beet consumption can play a key role in preserving sharp and clear eyesight as you age. Comment: beets are a superfood if you're amazed by their incredible health benefits. Still not convinced? Here are 8 powerful reasons to drink beet juice daily. Number 1. Beetroot reduces blood pressure. Did you know that drinking beet juice can lead to a significant reduction in blood pressure within just a few hours? Beets contain high levels of dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing hypertension. Scientific research conducted in the UK has demonstrated that consuming half a litre of beet juice daily can lead to a measurable decrease in blood pressure. The most striking finding was that the effects intensified within 3 to 4 hours after consumption and remained noticeable for up to 24 hours. This makes beet juice a promising natural remedy for those looking to manage their blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Comment: beets for a healthy heart if you're amazed by their blood pressure lowering benefits. Number 2, great for digestion. Beetroot is an excellent source of dietary fibre, providing about 10% of the daily recommended intake per serving. This fibre plays a crucial role in maintaining digestive health by regulating bowel movements and promoting a balanced gut microbiome. One of beetroot's key components, betaine, helps normalise stomach acid secretion, leading to better nutrient absorption and reducing digestive discomfort such as acid reflux and heartburn. Additionally, fibre acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and promoting a healthy colon environment, thereby reducing the risk of constipation and inflammatory bowel diseases. Comment, happy gut, happy life, if you love foods that support digestion. Number 3, fights inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and autoimmune disorders. Beetroot combats inflammation through its rich content of betaine, an essential nutrient that protects cells, proteins, and enzymes from environmental stress. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation at a cellular level, beetroot contributes to organ health, lowers cardiovascular risk factors, and helps prevent chronic diseases. Regular consumption of beet juice may be an effective natural way to support the body's anti-inflammatory processes. Comment, goodbye inflammation, hello health, if you're all about natural anti-inflammatory foods. Number 4, aids in weight loss. For those looking to shed extra pounds, beetroot can be a valuable addition to a weight loss diet. High in fibre and water content, yet low in calories, beets help promote a feeling of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Beets also contribute to balanced blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity. This makes them particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as they have a low glycemic load while providing sustained energy. Consuming beet juice or raw beets can support a healthy metabolism and assist in weight management. Comment, beets for the win if you're adding them to your weight loss journey. Number 5, anti-cancer properties. Beetroot contains powerful antioxidants that help protect against cancer by neutralising harmful free radicals. Research has shown that beetroot extract may slow the proliferation of cancer cells, particularly in prostate and breast cancer. Studies on animals and laboratory models suggest that the compounds in beets can inhibit tumour growth and enhance the body's natural defence mechanisms. While more research is needed, adding beetroot to your diet could serve as an additional protective measure against the development of certain cancers. Comment, powerful and protective if you believe in the cancer-fighting potential of beets. Number 6, enhances brain function. The nitrates in beetroot not only benefit heart health but also improve brain function. By increasing blood flow to the brain, beetroot helps enhance cognitive abilities, memory, and overall mental clarity. Studies suggest that regular consumption of beet juice may improve reaction times, increase focus, and potentially lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. This makes beetroot an excellent brain-boosting food, especially for aging individuals. Comment, brain boost with beets if you want sharper focus and better memory. Number 7, detoxifies the body. Beetroot is a natural detoxifier that helps cleanse the body of harmful toxins. It contains betalains and vitamin C, both of which act as powerful antioxidants to neutralize free radicals and support liver function. Beetroot has been shown to purify the blood, reduce skin inflammation, and combat acne. It also contributes to anti-aging effects by maintaining skin elasticity and protecting against sun damage. Additionally, studies have found that beetroot extract can aid liver health by reducing damage caused by toxins and lowering cholesterol levels. Comment, beetroot cleanse, yes please, if you're ready for a natural detox. Number 8, boosts athletic performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often turn to beetroot for its ability to enhance physical endurance. The nitrates in beet juice help increase nitric oxide production, which improves oxygen delivery to muscles and reduces fatigue. A study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology demonstrated that beet juice consumption could improve exercise efficiency by up to 16%, allowing athletes to train longer and recover faster. If you're looking to optimize your workouts, drinking beet juice could be a game changer. Comment, fuel your fitness with beets if you want more endurance and energy. Potential side effects of beetroot. Beetroot is packed with essential nutrients and offers a wide range of health benefits. However, excessive consumption may lead to certain side effects that should be taken into consideration. One notable concern is its high oxalate content, which may contribute to the formation of kidney stones, particularly in individuals prone to oxalate kidney issues. If you have a history of kidney stones, it's advisable to monitor your beet intake and consult a healthcare professional. Additionally, beetroot contains natural pigments known as betalains, which can sometimes cause a harmless condition called beeturia, where urine or stool may appear reddish or pink. While this is not a cause for alarm, it can be surprising for those unaware of this effect. People with sensitive stomachs or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, may experience digestive discomfort, including bloating or cramping due to the fibre and natural sugars in beets. If you have a sensitive digestive system, it's best to start with small portions and observe how your body reacts. As with any dietary change, moderation is key, and those with underlying health conditions should seek professional guidance before making beets a regular part of their diet. Comment, moderation is key if you believe in balancing the benefits and risks of healthy foods. What is the best way to consume beetroot? Beetroot is an incredibly versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed in multiple ways: raw, cooked, roasted, juiced, or blended into smoothies. Each method offers different nutritional benefits. Raw beets retain the highest levels of nutrients and antioxidants. They can be grated into salads, blended into smoothies, or eaten as a crunchy snack. Cooked or roasted beets have a sweeter flavour and softer texture, making them easier to digest. However, prolonged cooking may reduce certain heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamin C. Beet juice provides a concentrated source of nitrates, which may support heart health and athletic performance. However, it is naturally high in sugar, so it should be consumed in moderation. Beet greens, don't discard the leafy tops. They are rich in vitamins A, C and K and can be sautéed, added to soups or blended into green smoothies. For optimal benefits, it is recommended to consume beets in moderation, around 3 times per week. When selecting fresh beets, opt for small to medium-sized ones with firm, smooth skin for the best flavour and texture. By incorporating beets into a balanced diet, you can enjoy their health benefits while minimising any potential drawbacks. Comment raw, roasted or juiced. Beets are a must, and let me know your favourite way to enjoy them. Easy beet juice recipe for daily energy. 1/2 cup of fennel, chopped. 1/2 chopped, including the leaves. 2 apples, seeds removed. 1 cup of water. Blend all ingredients together until smooth. Add ice cubes for a refreshing touch. Drink immediately to maximise nutrient absorption. This juice is an excellent pre- or post-workout drink and a nutritious way to start your day with an energy boost. Comment, beet juice for the win, if you're excited to try this energising recipe. Beet juice is more than just a tasty drink. It's a powerhouse of health benefits, from boosting energy and brain function to supporting heart health and detoxification. Whether you're looking to enhance athletic performance or simply improve your overall well-being, adding beet juice to your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step toward better health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share it with others. And for more health tips and natural remedies, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.